Welcome to the video on how to grow passion fruit. Passion fruit is a delicious fruit that's rich in nutrients and it's fairly easy to grow in your own backyard. In this video, we are going to take you through the step to grow passion fruit successfully. Let's get started. The first step is growing passion fruit is to choose the right location. Passion fruit plants need a lot of sunlight, so it's important to choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. The soil should be well drained and the area should be sheltered from strong wind. Once you have chosen the right spot, it's time to prepare the soil. Passion fruit plants prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. You can add compost or well rotted manure to the soil to improve its nutrients content. Make sure to mix it well with the soil. Now it's time to plant the passion fruit. You can start with seedling or seeds. If you are using seedling, dig a hole that's slightly larger than the pot they are in, and then gently remove the plant from the pot and place it in the hole. Cover the roots with soil and gently temp it down. If you are planting from seeds, sow them in the prepared soil and cover them lightly with soil. After planting, it's important to water the passion fruit regularly, especially during the dry season. The plant needs to be kept moist but not waterlogged. You can fertilize the plant with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season to encourage healthy growth. As the passion fruit plant grows, it will need support. You can use a trellis or a fence to support the plant. Make sure the support is strong enough to hold the weight of the plant and its fruit. The fruit will start to appear on the vine after a few months. Passion fruit is ripe when it turns yellow or purple and falls off the vine easily. You can store the fruit in the fridge for a few days or use it immediately. That's it for this video on how to grow passion fruit. As you can see, it's fairly easy process that can yield delicious fruit in your own backyard. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.